I'm Eric Brooks, brand specialist with Alpine Electronics. We're here today with Chris Tagu, product and marketing strategist for Alpine Electronics. And today we're talking about the PXE-0850S audio processor. Chris, fill us in on this product.
So this is a new product that we have in store for 2018. We're really excited about it. We're bringing out a new processor that's completely wireless, so you can actually control everything from your smartphone, which means you can actually do the tuning and all the adjustments straight from your phone. Because it has Bluetooth, you can also stream music straight to it. So you can play music from your phone, which means you don't even need a head unit if you don't want to, in whatever application it is. It has 6 channels of input, high level or low level input, so you can actually connect it to your factory head unit if you want to integrate that. It does have some summing, so you can sum that information. If you have separates up front, you can do that as well. And it's 31 band equalization. It does a very, very in-depth processing power, so you can do a lot with it.
Okay, so this will work with your factory system, your aftermarket system if you want. So it sounds like a great way to add in the ultimate sound quality to your audio.
Right, it's a great boosting in terms of sound quality. You can bring up a factory system, just add this piece. It has internal power as well, so if you wanted to just power up your factory speakers, get that boost in sound quality because you can tune it and have power for some of your factory speakers, you can do that as well.
Really nice. So there you go, we're talking about the PXE-0850S audio processor here at the 2018 Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. Make sure you tune into the other videos that we're putting out from the show. We'll see you soon.